welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Company registration in Oman, a brief genesis of forming your own company. Why Oman to start your business? Business structure and formation in Oman. Business structures include proprietorship, partnership, corporation, limited liability company. Limited liability company. Limited liability company is a US term wherein the members of corporate structure are not personally liable for the debts and obligations. It's a type of unincorporated association requiring articles of organizations to be filled within the state. Here are the features, creation, advantages and limitations of LLC. You can go through it. The opportunities include primacy operation in Oman. In the graph, as you can see, India includes 4.70%, while the highest percentage is 78.04%, which is by China. Stepwise procedure to register LLC in Oman. Let's get started. Step 1. Name registration. Applicant requires submitting application to Ministry of Commerce and Industry under applicable law to reserve the name of company subject to registration of uses of particular name as given in Omani law. MCI application incorporation document submission. After approval and registration of name, now the next step is to prepare and obtain documents like foreign shareholder documents or Omani shareholder documents, constitutive contract and authorized signatory form, bank certificate for evidence of compliance with LLC's capital requirements. Oman Chamber of Commerce and Industry registration. This is the final step of registration process and is obtained immediately on the MCI completing its registration process to obey the other prescribed commercial rules and regulations for corporate in Oman. Approvals, business information in Oman, foreign investment guide, start trading in Oman. Company seal. The instruction to make the company seal or stamp is issued by the registered authorized signatory of the LLC when the issued to the supplier of the stamp or seal. Such instruction should be signed with an attested signature specimen confirming the requesting person's authority to obtain the stamp or seal. Post-registration requirements: municipality license, tax registration, registration with the Royal Oman Police, registration with the Ministry of Manpower to apply for labor clearances and visas, import-export license depending on the nature of business, industrial, environmental and other permits and licenses depending on the nature of business. Other requirements and forms to conduct business in Oman. Branch office: a company not formed in Oman which has entered into a contract with a government entity or quasi-government entity is authorized to operate with registration in Oman as a foreign branch. It can be interpreted as branch is possible for foreigner provided they have secured contract from authority. A branch office is a footprint of the foreign company in Oman. Therefore, this kind of corporate entity not required to have a share capital and any local partner too, and the foreign company remains liable for all of the debts and other liabilities of the branch office. Agency. Foreign investors who wish to appoint an agent or distributor need to draft the agency or distribution agreement with care and take legal advice on the background legislation to these forms of contract because Oman's commercial agencies law provides an agent significant protection from the termination of its appointment by an overseas principal on due course of business.